How do you introduce Ultimate to somebody who doesn't know about it?
I've found a very little people who don't know how to throw a disc, at least on the backhand throws, they're really good. So they kind of know the idea of throwing a disc and how they should go about catching the disc. And basically for a beginner, it is not a big deal. It is a very easy game to pick up. You can start off with just one disc and few friends, that's it. So it's not too difficult, it's really easy.
What do you look at Ultimate as a sport? How is it different from the rest?
It's a really promising sport. It's really picking up in India. How is it different from other sports? One of the biggest things I would see is spirit of the game. I like the whole point about the onus of responsibility of making a fair call being put on the individual rather than on a referee. So it is very common in other sports for you to make a mistake and say, hey, if the referee didn't see it, good for me. But in Ultimate, I love it when an individual has to take responsibility for his own mistakes and say, oh shit, I should not make such a mistake. It's my mistake, sorry. And it resets, the disc goes back to somebody else. Even though it's a loss or a penalty for your own team, it's still a responsible thing to do and you own up to your own mistakes.
Yeah.
So the biggest thing is anybody who's kind of interested in sports or were interested in sports back in school and colleges and kind of lost touch and want to get back into a game without too much of physical impact and meet a lot of new folks and people and get socialized. Best time to come and try and figure out this game. You'll fall in love with it. You'll probably get hooked onto it. So I'd say more than a spectator sport, you're going to come here look for a participator sport. Like figure whether you want to change your lifestyle and kind of fall in love with this because it's going to be fun.
I've been playing Ultimate for maybe about 4 years and I've never played a sport before in my life. But this just doesn't make you feel that way. It teaches you so much. It makes you so happy at the end of the day. You feel much less stressed about a lot of other things. And you meet the most wonderful people you've ever met. Ultimate community is probably one of the most amazing communities you'd ever see. So, well, and it keeps me in shape, so I'm good. Yeah.
Let's go! Right in, fast! Back your position, Prasanna! No, look behind you.
BUO so far, I mean, it's been awesome. I think everything is going on well as planned. Teams have registered, grounds are ready, and yeah, we're looking forward to it. It's going to be really huge and massive this year around. It's going to be fun as well.
How's it going to be different this year?
So this year we are looking at a different format, which is usually followed internationally. The formats will be out soon. I don't want to talk much on it, but it's going to be really exciting because all I can say is the best teams will be playing the best. So every match will be something to look forward to. Be it in any pool, it's going to be really tough. So yeah, it's going to be tough. And
Bangalore has been growing consistently. We just had the Bangalore Ultimate League. This is the first time that a league happened. We did have leagues before where only about 4 teams participated. This is the first time we had a league where it happened over a period of a month and we had about 8 teams participating. It was a very good learning experience for everyone and especially for DOD as well. I felt we performed very well and Bangalore Ultimate is growing good. We're just short of grounds.
We're learning to fly and if you see behind, we're having a really good time practicing. We're still trying to figure out a lot of stuff, but I'm hoping for the best and I'm hoping BO is going to be kick-ass, so let's see what happens.
DOD's preparation for BO has been very good. I wouldn't say we have been practicing just for BO. We're a team who's trying to get better at this game altogether. We're a team which has a varied arsenal of short passes and hugs at the same time. Gone are those days when we used to just finish the games with just one hug. Ultimate has taught us a lot over a period of 2 years, I would say, for DOD. We're a very mature team right now, a very mature team compared to last year. So we're up and ready for this tournament and we're just waiting for the first pull.
anything for all the teams that are coming to Bangalore for BUO?
Have the best time of your life. Watch out for Bangalore. We are very, very good.